Welcome to our e-learning classes. Today I will take EVS of class 5, first chapter, super senses. What are our super senses? Before to know it, we will little bit discuss about the senses. We have 5 sense organs as we know. What are they? Eyes, ear, nose and our tongue as well as skin. So these all sense organs make us aware about our surrounding. Is it these all type of feelings animals have? Yes, they have also senses. They can feel, they can hear, they can see. So these all senses they have also. If we observe little bit them, so we can find out the eagle, vulture, hawk, these type of birds can see their prey far away from a distance. Maybe it is more than 800 meter to 1 kilometer. Even then they can see their prey. Few examples are there like horses or bats. They can hear the faintest sound. There are few examples of another kind of animals. They can sense their friends by smelling. So in the animal world, we can see there are examples of amazing senses. These amazing senses are called super senses. Now we will talk about some stories and some examples of different kind of animals. So there is one story in your book, how an ant can recognize its friend. One ant was going along the ground and it saw few ants are coming from opposite side. So it quickly turned back to its hole. The hole was being guarded by another ant, and it recognized the first ant and let it alone. But it did not allow the other ants to enter inside the hole. So why it happened? The question arises in our mind. The answer is they have a special sense organ called antenna, by which they can recognize and they can smell different kind of smell, and by this they can recognize their friends. One scientist was there who experiments so many things about the behavior of the ants. One of the experiment was there. He saw that all ants move in a line. Always he observed that. So to find out the reason, at first he put one pencil on the path of these ants. But he saw they did not deflect from the line. They climb up on the pencil, again they came down and maintained the line. So he found that ants spread a special kind of smell on the ground. Other ants follow this smell. That's why they do not deflect from the line. They always follow the same path and same line. So these all about the smelling sense. That's why we can say the ants have a super sense of smelling. Now if we take another example, we can find an example of mosquito. Mosquitoes can find us anywhere. Why they find us? How they find us? So they find us because they have also a special sense of smelling. What type of smelling? They can smell the sole of our feet as well as they can feel the warmth of our body. So these two special senses make them to find us anywhere. So these all about the senses of the mosquitoes. Now a very general, a very common example we can take. That dogs always sniffing all around us. Why they sniff? To mark out their areas, they sniff. And even another dog comes from any other area, they can find it easily. How they find it? Because they have also a super sense, amazing sense of smelling, and they recognize or they find out the smell of urine and the potty. So this isn't it amazing, and isn't it interesting that they find their friends, their enemies by the smell of urine or the potty. So these all we discussed about the super senses of smell. In my next chapter, in my next class, I will take few other examples of other super senses. Till that, goodbye. Stay at your home.